Welcome back to the Tracy Trendy Show, my lovelies. It's another day, it's another dollar. And finally, MooMoo speaks out about getting doused with water by Bonita. My loves. Now, you're just going to have to sit back, and listen while he addresses this infamous moment where he got a full face of water. Okay? Now, first off, he's out here stuttering, trying to explain away the splash zone. All right. Now, now he should just be glad it was just water because if he was Al Green, it would have been hot grits. Just saying. I love the oldies. Okay. All right. Okay. But he dropped some, he dropped some real bombs. Okay. He's claiming that Bonita's currently kicking with Gigi right now, and things are getting straight up weird. Well, it was I have been telling you guys that Gigi has kind of dumped him. You know, Gigi's kind of flaky. She goes back and forth, but Gigi and Mumu had went to Florida for a little, well, it's supposed to be a little getaway, but Gigi wanted to go apartment hunting and wanted to move to Florida, but it didn't work out that way, and they kind of, I don't know, might have had words, and Gigi went on TikTok Live and said she's single. So, with no further ado, let's hear what Mumu has to say.
Baby, she was GG. That's what the fuck she at. I just called her. They had a car together. She acting weird. People acting weird. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. They acting weird. Bravo need to drive me with the water. What? I was mad as shit. I tried to beat the security up. And why would y'all let her throw water on? Like the producers, the cat, they thought that shit was funny. Yeah. You don't got to. They thought that shit was funny. I was trying to fight. I was trying to fight about that. I tried to beat the producer up and all that. Like, don't try to grab. Why the fuck is y'all grab me? She threw hella water on me. Like, fuck. I ain't no petty ass nigga. Like, I just thought that shit was funny at first. Until the mustard hit me. That's when I really was mad. Fuck the water. When that mustard hit me, that's when I wanted some smoke. But I can't say too much. Y'all don't even know everything that happened. Y'all gotta wait till the show ends. Like, I can't even say everything that happened. She did do too much. She crashed out on me. She crashed straight out. I swear to God. Yo. Yo, I was mad as shit, yo. Fuck the water. The water shit was cool. Like, it was, I wasn't really tripping. Like, yeah, she drowned me. Like, when she hit me that shit, I was, that shit took my breath away. It was cold, icy water. Then she refilled it, hit it again. I'm like, damn, enough. Like, I'm gone. I'm getting the fuck out of here. I'm gone. Like, y'all get it. Like, y'all can't even pay me to stay in this bitch. I don't even give a fuck about filming. Like, fuck this show. I was mad as shit. Mosquito just bit this shit out.
Okay, so there you have it, my love. So what do you guys think? Is Damond, aka Moo, just deflecting from getting drenched? Or is there major trouble brewing behind the scene with him and Gigi? Now I need you to drop your thoughts in the comments below. Smash that like button, subscribe for the next breakdown. You know this is just like the stock market going up and down with Gigi and Moo. But hopefully she has left him for good, my loves. But in the meantime, in tween time, drop a line below, like and hype. And I'm going to catch you all out on the flip side.